Hi there, my name is Jose and welcome to my website. In this video, I will show you how your internet and phone network travels all the way from Chorus network to your home or business. I'm going to cover each part of Chorus network as I go along. The fiber journey starts at the customer's home or business, where there will be an optical network terminal, or ONT for short, installed inside the customer's home, which then will provide a connection for the services. An ONT will usually look like this. The next step is to have the customer's modem connecting to the optical network terminal. That way it provides internet connection and voice services. Now, just like a jack point, an ONT should always stay at the home, even if the customer moves out. If the customer wants fiber at the new address, he or she can contact Chorus for support. From the ONT, the fiber cable runs through the house and connects to a box called ETP, which simply means external termination point, usually located outside of the house but still inside of the customer's premises. When a customer moves from copper to fiber, the ETP box is upgraded. An ETP can either be placed up to 300 mils above ground or up to 1.5 meters up higher. The fiber then runs underground or overhead inside a microduct. This is a FAT, or Fiber Access Terminal. This is where all the fiber from the surrounding houses will connect. A FAT can either be placed above ground in a pole or underground in a pit. Then all the fibers from all the surrounding FATs will connect to a FFP, or Fiber Flexibility Point. An FFP looks just like a simple FAT. The difference is that inside the FFP we have an optical splitter. The optical splitter will receive the light signal from Chorus network and share it down to the customer's premises. The ONT then will receive the optical signal and translate it into electrical signal so that customers can then receive their data and voice services. From the FFP, all the fiber comes back to a local exchange building. An exchange building is a facility that holds all the necessary equipment for both copper and fiber. If the customer's house happens to be close enough to this exchange building, it might not be no longer fed from a FFP or a FAT, but straight from the exchange building. Inside the exchange building, all fiber ends up inside something called OFDF, which simply means optical fiber distribution frame, and then terminated in a fiber draw. From the fiber draw, it is fed to a GPON. Our final stop is the GPON, Gigabit Passive Optical Network. It houses the laser which is responsible for shining the light down the fiber, which is then received by the ONT at the customer's house. And this, my friend, is the journey that fiber takes all the way from the customer's end to Chorus network. The whole thing might sound complicated at first, but in reality, the network topology is actually quite simple. Let's do a recap. This is the end of the video and thanks for watching.